There are things only the chosen can feel, a subtle signal, a shift, a sacred pressure in the air, and as 4 August approaches, that signal is growing louder. Not everyone will see it. Not everyone is meant to, but if you're hearing this now, then you've already been marked for awareness. You've already been chosen. And there's something you must know before that date arrives. 4 August is not just a date. It is a turning point in spiritual time, and before every shift, God reveals patterns, but only the awake can see them. You may have noticed restlessness in your sleep, sudden urges to isolate, a strange emotional heaviness without cause. These are not signs of failure. They are preparation signals. The chosen feel the shift before it happens, not because they're special, but because they're available. Or before God moves publicly, He stirs people privately. You've been pulled away from the crowd, from distractions, from noise, not to be punished, but to be positioned. There's a message meant for your ears only. And when 4 August arrives, the ones who ignored the call will stay confused. But the ones who felt it coming, they'll rise into alignment with ease. What's coming isn't for everyone. It's for those who are watching without eyes and listening without sound. But the shift will not be loud. It will be energetic, and the preparation is not in doing, it's in undoing. Clear emotional clutter. Speak less, observe more, protect your energy. Ask yourself, what must leave me before 4 August arrives? The answer will be subtle, but the impact will be massive. Let go. Because when the date arrives, those who prepared in spirit will receive the activation. You are not watching this by accident. If your soul feels stirred, if your heart recognizes this message, then you are already being called. Chosen doesn't mean better, it means aware, so stay ready. Stay light, stay in alignment, because on 4 August, a window opens, and those who walk through it will never be the same again. You've been warned, you've been awakened. Now rise,